For magnificence, for variety of form and color, for profusion of brilliant life, for vastness of scale, Uganda is truly the Pearl of Africa. Come to Uganda to see why Winston Churchill wrote those words. Uganda is a unique country at the heart of Africa that offers an experience you can't find anywhere else. Home to the serene Lake Victoria, the source of the Nile, the drama of Murchison Falls, the famous impenetrable forests of Bwindi, and the savannas that stretch to the horizon. Home to a staggering diversity of wildlife, animals of the plains and rivers, hundreds of varieties of rare birds, and dozens of species of primates. Uganda is home to half the world's population of wild mountain gorillas. Home to a rich and ancient culture, to the modern safe city of Kampala offering all sorts of cuisines, world-class lodging, and spectacular sports facilities. The people of Uganda have a tradition of genuine friendliness, so you will feel more than welcome amongst us. Getting to Uganda is easy with the new international airport in Entebbe, served by 19 major passenger airlines. And within Uganda, access to game parks, cultural attractions, and natural wonders is possible through a growing network of modern roads and dependable local air service. Uganda is every bit as special as it was when Winston Churchill first stepped foot here over 100 years ago. So let your senses be awakened by her natural wonders. Uganda, gifted by nature.